Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with American Express business cards. Review my usage experience. American Express business cards Review my usage experience focuses on helping business owners and entrepreneurs choose the right Amex business card for their needs. It aims to break down the various card options, explaining the benefits, fees, and rewards programs associated with each. Key features covered likely include annual fees, APRs, rewards point systems, and travel perks. Their website provides details on various Amex business cards, comparing features like rewards programs, membership rewards, cashback, airline miles, introductory offers, and annual fees. It highlights the benefits of each card for different business types, emphasizing flexibility and potential cost savings. It aims for transparency by outlining all fees and terms. You can likely find information about eligibility and apply directly through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the American Express business cards review resources. I started by visiting the Amex website and navigating to the business cards section. I was initially overwhelmed by the sheer number of options, but the website's comparison tool proved incredibly useful. I inputted my estimated monthly spending and business type, and the tool narrowed down the choices to a few relevant cards. I then delved deeper into each card's details, focusing on the rewards programs and annual fees. Navigating the interface was straightforward. Each card had its own dedicated page with comprehensive information. The clear presentation of APRs, fees, and reward structures allowed me to easily compare the potential value of each card. I also used the Amex Points Calculator to estimate my potential rewards earnings based on my spending habits. This feature was especially helpful in visualizing the long-term value proposition of each card. I had a quick question about foreign transaction fees on one particular card and contacted Amex support via chat. They responded promptly and provided a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the website was, making it easy to compare complex information. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized card recommendations based on my business needs. One minor drawback was that some of the information on introductory offers was slightly buried within the fine print. It took me a little while to get used to navigating through all the different reward categories and bonus offers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using the American Express business cards review resources. The information provided was clear, comprehensive, and helped me make an informed decision. That's my overview of American Express business cards review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.